we will do next question in continued in my this video. Opening closing balance, then posting interest on capital, then by P&L adjustment account for interest on capital 10, 6 and 4, then to P&L adjustment account for interest on drawing 1, 6 and 4, then this entry to P&L adjustment account loss 9, 6 and 3, then we will calculate the closing balance 125 and 76 and 46 to balance CD. 125 minus 10, 125 minus 9 plus 1 is equal to 10 is equal to 1,15,000. 76 minus 6, 69,400. Then 46, 43, 42, 600. Total this account is complete and this question is complete. This was the first method, which is P&L adjustment account by P&L, past adjustment by P&L adjustment account. It is a lengthy method. Then second method of this, which is the by analytical table method, which is the short method. We will do by analytical table method. So देखिए ये टेबल किस तरह बनेगी. फर्स्ट कॉलम पर्टिकुलर, देन 3 पार्टनर्स के एंड सेकंड लास्ट कॉलम फर्म. पार्टनर RST, देन बाइफ्रिकेट डेबिट क्रेडिट डेबिट क्रेडिट डेबिट क्रेडिट एंड फर्म also debit and credit. Okay, then we will write this thing which we are omitted, जो कि हम भूल गए थे देना. क्या भूल गए थे? इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल. इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल if we will given to the partners, then partners capital account should be credit. So 10,000 are credit and S will be credit for 6 and T with 4. Clear? Then we will omit interest on drawing. So interest on drawing partners capital are debit with R 1000, S 600, T 400. ठीक है. If partners capital account credit, then firm is debit. 20,000 firm debit. If partners capital account debit, then firm credit. So firm credit with 2,000. Then difference 2,000. Then difference will come in firm also credit with 18,000. Firm credit with 18,000. Difference between these two amount. Firm credit if, then partners are debit. So loss of 18,000 debited in ratio 3:1. Okay, then debit 9,000 R and 6,000 S and T 3,000. Clear? 18,000. Then total firm equal 20, and we should total also this column. 10,000. Okay. 10,000. R account debit and credit should be equal 10,000. Then there is no adjustment in R's capital account. S 6,600 debit and 6,000 credit. T 3,400 debit and 4,000 credit. So difference will come in S account and T account. S account will be debited more and T account will be credited more. So debited more, to S account debit 600 and credit 600 T account. So entry should be एस अकाउंट क्या हो रहा है, डेबिट ज़्यादा हो रहा है 600 से, डेबिट ज़्यादा हो रहा है तो एस कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट 600 टू, इसको क्रेडिट ज़्यादा करना है टी को, तो टू टीज कैपिटल अकाउंट विथ 600. दिस क्वेश्चन इज कंप्लीट बाय सेकंड मेथड, एनालिटिकल टेबल मेथड. आपको यही मेथड करना है अगर आपको एग्जाम में कोई पर्टिकुलर मेथड नहीं बोला जाए तो. दिस इज़ द शॉर्ट मेथड एंड दिस इज़ द कन्वीनियंट मेथड. सो दिस इज़ कंप्लीट द क्वेश्चन ऑफ पास्ट एडजस्टमेंट. एंड नाउ we will read the last topic of this chapter, guarantee of profit to the partner, in my next video.